To colorize narrowband images, one method is to colorize the images using the layers themselves. First, select File, Scripts, and load files into Stack. Make sure Files is selected and choose the files that you would like to work with. I rename the layers to help me remember what color I'm working with for each layer. This method involves working directly with the layers themselves to colorize. First, convert each layer to a smart object by right-clicking and choosing Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Image, Mode, and RGB Color in order to colorize these layers. Select Don't Merge and Don't Rasterize. Unselect the eye so that you can see each layer as you colorize it. Then double-click on the layer, and under Advanced Blending for channels, unselect the two colors that you do not want. In this case, we want red, so we will not select green and blue. Then click OK. Do the same for the green layer. Unselect red and blue. And do the same for the blue layer. Unselect green and red. Photoshop has automatically blended the three layers together to give you your final image that is now ready to be processed.